Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shihab Munna from American International University, Bangladesh. I'm doing digital logic design course under the supervision of Chowdhury Akram Hossain sir. My project name is water level indicator using NOT gate. In this project, I am going to develop a device that will indicate water level. So let's simulate this project.
At first, we will open a file and save it, then take some components like battery, BC547 transistor, resistor and probe or LED. Rename those LEDs. In transistor properties, make pin name visible and we can see here is ECB, which is emitter collector base. Now I am connecting a resistor with base and set value to 20 ohm and one resistor with collector and set the value 10 kilo ohm. Now I will connect a NOT gate with collector and connect the output of NOT gate with the probe or LED. Now I will copy this design for 4 times. Set the battery voltage to 5 volt and connect all the 10 kilo ohm resistor with positive and connect all the emitter connection with the common ground. Suppose it is our water tank. Take a basic switch and copy 4 times. Connect one end of the switch to the positive 5 volt. Connect another pin of the switch to the 220 ohm resistor. Here I connect another probe directly to the collector. Let's start the simulation. When there is no water, the empty LED will glow. When there is a little water, the empty LED will stop and low LED will glow. When there is a middle of water tank, the yellow LED will glow, and when the tank is full, the green LED will glow. And when the tank is overflowing, the overflow LED will glow. That was all in our simulation part. Let's make it in breadboard. Take some component first, which we will need. 5 mm light emitting diode, one IC 7404, BC547 transistor, one voltage regulator 7805, 10 kilo ohm resistor, 220 ohm resistor, bunch of connecting wires, one breadboard, one 12 volt battery. You can use 9 volt as well as or directly 5 volt. Place 4 transistor. Connect 10 kilo ohm resistor with the collector and the positive side of battery as shown in the simulation. Now connect 220 ohm resistor with the transistor base. Place the 7404 IC. Place the voltage regulator. Here is a circuit diagram for converting 9 or 12 volt to 5 volt. This one is common ground and this one is 5 volt DC. Connect pin 14 with BCC and pin 7 with ground. Connect a NOT gate with collector. Here is a diagram of the NOT gate IC and output of NOT gate with positive side of the LED. Connect all the cathode of LED with common ground. Connect NOT gate for each LED with the collector of transistor. Connect a wire with collector of the first transistor directly with LED for empty signal and connect all the emitter with common ground. Now connect wire with the 220 ohm resistor for taking reading from the water tank. I have made this for water level measurement. This one is for 5 volt, this one is for low, this one is for middle water, this one is for full and overflow. Take a jar as water tank. Connect the power source. LED is glowing, it means there is no water. When there is a little bit water, LED red is glowing and the empty tank indicator is turned off. When the tank is middle of water, it will glow yellow. This green LED is showing that water tank is full and this white LED is showing that the tank is overflowing. Thanks for watching.